Hi guys, it's Akilah with DIYPowercouple, and in today's video we are going to do an Amazon haul for our girls' room makeover. If you are new here, come on in and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can see all of the DIY projects we have done for this room makeover. We also want to give you some DIY inspiration for your next home improvement project. The theme today is all about pink and girly, so let's go into what we purchased and then we'll see how it looks in her room. First thing I want to show you is our pink rug. Girl, this is so soft and light, beautiful. This is going to go perfectly with Isla's new luxury vinyl tile flooring that she replaced, and then it'll give a little bit of pink, a little bit of softness to the room. You know, the nice thing about doing a room makeover in pink is that you can choose whatever color pink that you would like. So our daughter picked out what you would call a peach pink curtain with silver Moroccan tile pattern, and they are so adorable. And what I like about them is that they're room darkening and they have grommets at the top to easily install. They really gave the room a chic feel. Look at before and now look at after. Do you see the difference just in that one space? And she loves it. So the peach pink just was popping with the silver. These were a great find on Amazon. We have our little bed set comforter here. You see that, so that's gonna be nice. So we purchased this little twin size pinch pleated comforter. So our daughter has a bunk bed and she requested that her bottom bunk is pink and her top bunk is white. So along with the pink comforter, we bought some pink microfiber sheets for her bed from Amazon Basics. So this is great. Here is the box for the Amazon Basics white pinch pleated comforter. We also purchased our white microfiber sheet set. So we want to have that with our white comforter. That's going to be on the top bunk, and then we have the pink on the bottom bunk. And while we're here at bedding, we're going to take a quick pause to show you the mattress protector that we also bought on Amazon. And then we're going to try another mattress pad on the top. It's just a pad, so it's not going to have the waterproof or the bacteria protection. It's just a pad that we're going to use for our top bunk. So check out how we put that together. And so we are going to check it out and see how it looks on her bed. So this right here is one of the like Squishmallow stuffed toys that they had on Amazon. This was something that she ordered and she saw and she was a must-have. So this is what it looks like now out of the box. And we'll see how it looks. Aww. My daughter has opened up my inner pink. We also purchased some pink hangers from Amazon, and I think they come in a pack of 50. Look at this. There's no more little girl dresses. We need to have adult size hangers, and they have a little felt on them. They're really nice. And what I like is no matter how she hangs up her clothes, you can swivel the top. So we can have them all going the same way. We're gonna see if we can get organized this year. So these little pink hangers are a great little addition to her closet. And we can't truly organize all her clothes without pink drawer organizers. They are too cute. And that leads us up to the bling. I was surprised that it was kind of hard to find a curtain rod with crystals on the end caps. But you know, on Amazon, it was so much easier just to purchase it online. I knew my measurements and it was so much easier. They are so shiny and sparkly. Is that a word? Sparkly? Oh, it also matches some of the other decor and bling that I want to show you. We also found some crystal doorknobs, which they call diamond doorknobs, and we know diamonds are a girl's best friend. The first knob is a diamond knob on her main door, which is called a privacy doorknob, which allows her to lock it. The second diamond doorknob is on her closet door. This is for interior doors and it has no lock on it. These knobs we added to her thrifted dresser. You gotta check out that video too. And you can find them on Amazon as well. One of our best finds has been replacing her old light fixture with a mini chandelier.
It's gonna look so good.
Okay. I think this is perfect for a little girl's room.
It is.
This is like her very first chandelier.
I've ever seen.
Yeah.
In my own house.
Before we go any further, one thing I need to do is to thank Isla's personal sponsors. Her grandmother, her great aunt, her play sister, all the ladies in her life that helped her buy these things on her Amazon list to make her room transformation a great one. You know, the nice thing about bling and crystals and diamond accents, you can mix and match. So this is a little insert. We got this at Hobby Lobby because it was on sale. We got the round mirrors for her mural because they were 50% off. And then we got one more decor thing for her room. And it was a cute little floral plant. Is this not the most adorable thing you've ever seen? Look, it's a pineapple. Our daughter loves pineapple. She loves plants. And so we got this for 50% off. This is the little gift that we're gonna surprise her with when she puts all of her little decor and trinkets back on her dresser. We did a room transformation from the ceiling to the floor and we added the decor. And this is another type of bling. This is a 4-in-1 Galaxy Projector night light. Baby girl loves this, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in her room. A nice thing about this star projector light is that you can add your own music to a USB and just add it to the projector. So our daughter chose some spa music, and it's nice because she can just get relaxed, calm, it's peaceful at the end of a long day, and with the stars being projected on her ceiling, it's like she can bring a little bit of the relaxing outdoors inside her room. It's so satisfying. Can you literally buy too many things for your daughter's room? No, you can't, because Amazon has everything and your daughter can pick everything out. There's something more we purchased on Amazon. It's a motion sensor multicolor nightlight. Let's take a look inside. And you may ask, where are we gonna put this since we already have our projector starlight? But these are gonna go underneath her bunk bed. So when she comes in or when she wants to read, she can change the colors of these lights. It's so cool. And we will show you. Look at those. Are they not so adorable? The nice thing about these lights is she can determine if she wants them to be in motion, or she can turn them on and off herself. She can also adjust what color she would like to show. So let's see how that works out on her bunk bed. You can put them anywhere. On your bed. We realize that it's metal.
It's metal.
Okay, turn the different color again. Put it on there, like, that is so cool. You can make really neat little things. We ordered this new mini charging station to power up her new gadgets. And you can find all the links to the products today in the description below. Baby girl had no official place for her shoes, so we ordered her this 5-tier shoe rack. We even added marble contact paper to the wood shelf on top. This was a nice buy because you can build it with the shoe rack slightly angled. And of course, she loved it. Hey guys, I know we went through a lot of items in our Amazon haul, but let me know in the comments, which one was your favorite? Was it pink? Was it bling? Did it have lights? I would love to know, which item would you buy for your girl's room makeover? Or even maybe for yourself. At this time, we want to thank 2 of our subscribers, DIY with Jay Jackson and Ari Carter. We see you, we see your comments and engagement, and we appreciate your support. Ladies, let me let you know something. This Amazon haul was a little bittersweet because my baby girl is now becoming a tween, and so everything that we purchased, I was just like, okay. She's a big girl now. So I hope this will give you some ideas in your tween's room as well. We love you, and we'll see you in the next video.